Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this set of two fantastic speakers that this brand sent to me for this video. And I have to say that these two are actually really good, just because they are 60 watts and they have so many connection features. Like, for example, for a computer, these are gonna be awesome. Just have for gaming, for watching movies, watching TV shows, or even for music, these are really good too. But also, if you kind of like lack of a space and you want to have a really good source of sound in your living room, man cave, office, these ones are also Bluetooth. We're gonna be using it on Bluetooth today, so I'm gonna show you how good they sound. You know, I know it's not gonna be the same as you have them in your house. We're gonna do kind of like a test demo. Some things that actually surprised me on this one: how many connections of this one you get. You get the optical cable, which also always is gonna be the best. You also have 3.5 jack, and you also have USB-A to USB-C. You have the controls right here on the side panel, and also these ones are made of wood. So these are wooden boxes, so that is really good for the bass. Talking about the bass, you'll have the tweeter right here on top, you have the mid woofer right here on the bottom, and also you have the out box for the bass. So having this in a wooden box, it's actually really cool. You'll connect them one to each other right here with this RCA cable. You have all the ports right here on and off. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna set up my microphone down there so you can hear how good these ones are with just a little bit of a test demo.
You won't just hear glass break. You'll hear a slightly battered and bruised baseball fly past your right ear as a cloud of debris blooms and shards of glass trail overhead. Just before gravity takes hold, scattering chaos to the four corners of the room.
I'm telling you, you may be as surprised as I was when I hear these two little guys blasting my computer and blasting my phone with the Bluetooth capabilities. I like them. 60 watt, you have the two wooden boxes with all the controls along, the connection possibilities. I do recommend these two little guys right here.